how to create TIFF images, Adobe PDF files, and many other image formats with Raster Image Printer 12. Raster Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. Raster Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, Monochrome TIFF, Adobe PDF, Non-Searchable PDF, and Color Optimized JPEG. Unlike Peernet's other image printers, TIFF Image Printer and PDF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer offers a variety of output file formats to choose from, including both TIFF images and PDF files, as well as a large selection of image formats such as JPEG images, GIF images, PNG images, and BMP images. To quickly create a TIFF, PDF, or JPEG, simply set your desired profile as Raster Image Printer's default profile. Double-click on the Raster Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the Raster Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the Raster Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to Raster Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside Raster Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select your desired profile from the list of system defaults. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. For example, we can set Color Optimized TIFF as the default profile and then rename the printer to Raster Image Printer TIFF. We can then make a copy of this printer, select Adobe PDF as the default profile, and rename this printer to Raster Image Printer PDF. We can make yet another copy and select Color Optimized JPEG as the default profile and rename the printer to Raster Image Printer JPEG. Now, each time you print, there will be 3 listings for Raster Image Printer. One to create color optimized JPEG images, one to create Adobe PDF files, and one to create color optimized TIFF images. Close Printer Management. You can also create your own custom profiles through Profile Manager. Either create a copy of one of our default profiles or select Add Profile. Name the profile something you will recognize and add a description if you wish. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized PNG and put in Create PNG Images as the description. To set the file format that you would like created, under the Save Options tab, go to the Output Type and drop the list for all the possible output types you can create with Raster Image Printer. As you can see, Raster Image Printer allows you to create multi-paged and serialized TIFF images, multi-paged and serialized PDF files, JPEG images, GIF images, PNG images, BMP images, and a variety of other image formats. For PDF files, you can also create non-searchable PDF images by enabling Create each page of the PDF as an image, or leave this off to create searchable Adobe PDFs. In this example, we will choose PNG. I'm going to leave the resolution and color settings as they are because I want to create a color optimized PNG image, and these defaults are already the correct settings. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Create another copy of the Raster Image Printer. Select Color Optimized PNG as the default profile and rename the printer to Raster Image Printer PNG. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now, when you print your file, you will see Raster Image Printer PNG listed in your printer list. If you select this printer, you will create color PNG images. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.